The V8 engine you see in this cutaway is a masterclass in mechanical coordination, turning controlled explosions into smooth rotational power that drives vehicles forward. At its core are 8 cylinders arranged in 2 banks of 4, set at a 90-degree angle to each other, forming the distinctive V-shape that gives the engine its name. This configuration balances power and compactness, which is why V8s became the heart of muscle cars, trucks, and performance machines for decades. Each cylinder houses a piston, a precisely machined aluminum or steel sled that moves up and down inside a honed bore. The pistons are connected by connecting rods to the crankshaft, the engine spine that runs along the bottom of the block. As each piston is forced downward by combustion, it rotates the crankshaft, converting linear motion into the spinning force that eventually reaches the wheels. The crankshaft itself is a heavy, counterweighted component designed to smooth out the power pulses from 8 separate explosions happening in rapid succession. Above the piston sit the cylinder heads, which seal the top of each bank and house the valves, camshafts, and spark plugs. In a typical overhead valve or overhead cam design, the camshaft spins at half the speed of the crankshaft, using 8-shaped lobes to push open the intake and exhaust valves at exact moments. The intake valves open to let a precisely metered mixture of air and fuel into the cylinder. The piston then travels upward on the compression stroke, squeezing that mixture into a tiny space to increase its energy potential. At the top of the stroke, the spark plug fires, creating a small but powerful arc that ignites the compressed mixture. This is the power stroke. The burning fuel expands violently, driving the piston down with tremendous force. That force travels through the connecting rod to the crankshaft, delivering a pulse of torque. Because there are 8 cylinders, these pulses overlap. A well-designed V8 firing order, like 1843657 in many American engines, ensures that a power stroke is always occurring, which makes the engine feel smooth and gives it that deep, rumbling exhaust note enthusiasts love. After the power stroke, the exhaust valve opens and the piston rises again, pushing spent gases out into the exhaust manifold on the exhaust stroke. Then the cycle begins again. Timing is everything. The camshaft and crankshaft are linked by a timing chain or belt, ensuring valves open and close in perfect sync with piston position. If timing is off by even a few degrees, valves could collide with pistons or combustion would be inefficient. Modern V8s also use variable valve timing, where the engine computer adjusts camshaft position on the fly. At low RPM it optimizes for fuel economy and smooth idle, while at high RPM it changes timing for maximum airflow and power. Fuel delivery has evolved too. Early V8s used carburetors to mix air and fuel, but almost all modern versions use port or direct fuel injection. With direct injection, a high-pressure injector sprays fuel straight into the combustion chamber milliseconds before ignition, allowing higher compression ratios and better efficiency. The engine control unit monitors data from oxygen sensors, NOx sensors, throttle position, and dozens of other inputs to adjust spark timing and fuel amount thousands of times per second. Cooling and lubrication keep this violent process sustainable. Channels in the block and head circulate coolant to absorb heat from combustion, which is then dumped through the radiator. Simultaneously, the oil pump forces pressurized oil through passages to the crankshaft bearings, camshaft journals, piston walls, and valve train. This oil film prevents metal-on-metal contact that would destroy the engine in seconds at 6,000 revolutions per minute. What makes the V8 special isn't just power, but character. The 90-degree design has perfect primary balance, so it doesn't need heavy balance shafts like some other layouts. The overlapping power strokes create a sound that is both mechanical and musical, from a low burble at idle to a howl at redline. That sound, combined with instant throttle response and broad torque across the RPM range, is why the V8 remains iconic even as electrification advances. In the animation, you can trace this entire sequence: intake valves opening as pistons drop, compression as they rise, the flash of ignition, the violent pushdown on the power stroke, and exhaust valves venting the spent charge. 8 of these cycles, precisely timed and interwoven, produce the continuous rotation of the crankshaft, its thousands of precision parts moving in harmony, all to achieve one simple goal: turning chemical energy from fuel into the motion that moves us.